Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Fehinbeauty. Today we will be checking out brows. So babes, I actually did decide to actually come up with two different brows. Like babes, two different brows. Yes, babes. Although they look alike from afar, they look identical, they look alike, blah blah blah, babes. They are two different brows. So this one is actually supposed to stay like 24 hours or 12 because I'm not going to carry makeup for 24 hours. No, nobody carries their makeup for 24 hours, but it's supposed to stay like all day long. Actually, this one I've worn it quite a number of times and it actually does last all day long. But then babes, while I was doing it, this one is so snatched. So babes, not wasting much of our time, let us go straight into the video. But before we go straight into the video, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also babes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also babes, do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. That is like coco babes. Don't forget to hit that notification bell, and also don't forget to share. Let us not waste much of our time. Let us go straight into the video. So guys, welcome back again. I already did like some steps to my face. Like I said in the previous video, this video is like a continuation. So very quickly, I just did quickly set my brows. I got this glue from AliExpress and it came in this cute little pack, and it came with this blue wand, white wand. It's very tiny little wand. I honestly don't know what it is for, but then we'll find out later. So guys, I'm just going to apply the glue to my brush. It's a lash glue. The lash glue I was using before is black, and so I cannot use it for my brows, is why I got a new one. So babes, like, you can see the difference already. You can see the difference. The glue is just to hold the brows, the brow hair into place, so it doesn't move anywhere. So I wasn't getting the effects like from applying the glue to the brush and the brush to the hair, so I just added the glue directly. So babe, look at this, I love it. So next I'm going into my Davis pencil. This is a Davis pencil. So so babes, I'm just going to outline the edges of the brows, as the upper edge and the lower edge. So for the upper edge, I'm not going like all the way out, but for the lower edge I'm going all to the tip and even more, like a little out of the tip. And then I'm going to do my tail. I'm going to outline my tail. It looks like my tail is not obvious, babes, so I'm just going to apply my tail. So I actually did make, not really a mistake, but like the tail when I was doing it looked fat. Yeah, I feel like I was just the one seeing it anyway. So next I tried to brush it, but then I realized the hairs were not moving anywhere, so I could not brush it. I tried to like blend the pencil with the hairs, but babes, that glue, it just glued it down, no only. So babes, next I'm going into this flat brush and I'm going to use it to like conceal my brows. Okay, so babes, while doing this video, you notice my mouse is moving and I'm talking. I actually tried to like do the video like
at once without a voiceover, but then I had so much background noise. I had to, at the end of the day, do a voiceover. So babes, I'm just bringing my mirror closer and we will do the brows. So for concealers, I'm going into my regular concealer, my regular LA Pro concealer. I'm using a lighter shade. This concealer is also the concealer I'm going to be using as my base primer for my shadows. No, just use it for the whole eyelid and all. So guys, I'm just trying to be as careful as possible, as much as I can be. I also went to conceal the upper parts, which is not something I honestly don't know why I did it. Oh, because of the tail. I said the tail was a bit fat for my liking, so I tried adjusting the tail. I feel like the shape and angle of the brows, well, it is mine. So for blending the concealer to my eyelid, I'm using a big flat fluffy brush. I used this brush in one of my previous eyeshadow videos, and I really do love the effect on how it's blended the concealer. So next I'm going into my wet beauty blender to just like bring everything together as one. I'm setting with my passion powder, always set so you don't have like concealer on your brush when you're applying your shadows and your shadows doesn't go anywhere. I'm going into this small Sephora palette and I'm going into I ended up going into the darkest shade. I wasn't really sure of what it is I wanted, so I'm going into a very simple shadow. I want something natural, like a natural shade, like a transition shade. I don't want something, I don't know, I just wanted something natural for the look I was going for. I'm actually going for a natural look. So babes, look at that, I love it. So I'm just adding more of that glow, the gold glitters, shimmers, to just pop it up a bit. So guys, for the other parts, I'm going into my air wax as usual. I've been using this air wax for a while now, so I'm just going to like dip the brush just like a little bit lightly on the air wax, and I'm going to use the wax to brush up the hairs on my brows. So babes, I've been using this, but what I can see as is difference between both is when I use air wax, especially when it is not dry and you're in a hurry, the pencil begins to slip off, and most times I actually have to set the brows again after using the air wax, and it just does not give me the best effect. Sometimes it can be messy and all, but then with this glue it's just dried up immediately, and I did love the effects. but then both do give me align strokes. Plus my brows are actually really deep, very dense, is full, and you don't have like line of separations in my brows. I'm going through the same process. I'm going to conceal and go through with my eyeshadow. The only difference is the wax and the glue. So babes, if you notice, okay, I think it was due to the fact that while I was setting my eyelid, the powder touched the brows for the glue side by mistake, is why it seems like a little lighter. But then babes, if you notice, like the one for the brow gel is slightly darker. It is slightly darker compared to the one of the glue, and it is more arched, like it seems bigger, and I feel like that is because I did not conceal the upper part of this other brow. So I'm going through the same routine for the shadows. It's the same shadow, come on guys, of course it's just the brows we wanted to see. So babes, just going to finish sharply. So I'm just going into liners, and I did use like a very thick, not too thick anyway, a thick wing. So I did go through with finishing the blend on my face off camera. If you do want to know how the face makeup did go, please you can check it out in the link below. Of course it's going to be there. So babes, I'm just going into like a very sharp wing, nothing too serious actually, nothing too serious. Next I'm going into my mascara. I'm just going to like brush out the, oh god guys, you can see the effect like immediately, just brings it out. So babes, very quickly I'm going in with my lips. So the detail of this lip is in the other video babes. I really did I took my time to like show you guys the other video babes. So guys, next I'm going into my eyelashes with the same glue.
Okay, so guys, this brings us to the end of today's video. If you did like the video, do not forget to like, share and comment. Also, babes, do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and also do not forget to hit the notification bells to know when new videos goes up. Babes, if you see this video and you feel like there is someone who might actually need it, babes, do not forget to actually tell the person. Tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Babes, if you did enjoy this video like I did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. It really is important. So babes, I will see you again in the next video till we meet again. I remain your girl, Fehinbeauty.